Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by connecting your phone to the same Wi-Fi as the Fire TV because the app talks over the network. Once done, install and open the Amazon Fire TV app or a compatible remote app and sign in with the same Amazon account. Make sure the Firestick is awake on screen. The app discovers devices only when they respond. If a pairing PIN appears on TV, enter it in the app so the phone becomes a functional remote and can control volume through on-screen controls. Next, route control to the TV or AV receiver because many Firesticks output audio through HDMI and rely on those devices for volume. Enable HDMI CEC in your TV and receiver menus so commands pass through. Once HDMI CEC is active, press the volume buttons or on-screen slider in the phone app to reduce volume. The Firestick will signal the TV/receiver. If audio is optical or ARC, use the receiver or TV remote app to lower levels. Make sure the app shows connect. To finish, play any video and lower volume slowly using the app slider to find a comfortable level. Abrupt changes can be jarring. If the phone app cannot control volume, reboot the Firestick and your router, then reopen the app and reauthorize pairing to restore commands. Make sure Wi-Fi is stable and the phone uses the same Amazon account. If problems persist, verify HDMI CEC is enabled and that audio isn't locked to a Bluetooth device. Those settings commonly block volume control.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.